Good day, everybody. We welcome you to another episode of our Maths Theater. Today we'll be discussing about fraction. Fraction in mathematics means the ratio of two numbers. The ratio we mean here is division. For example, we have 2/3. This is a fraction. 4/5. This is a fraction. 7/8. This is a fraction. 10/2. This is another type of fraction. 11/3. This is another type of fraction. And remember, in our last class, we mentioned a maxim, a theorem, which says all numbers are constant, while all alphabet or letters are variables are constant. So here now, using that principle here, we can say A/B is the general formula for fraction. So if our A is equals to 2, it will be 2, and our B is equals to 3. So here, A, we call A numerator, B denominator. So that is fraction. The one up is called numerator, the one down is called denominator. So our A can be any number, can be 10, can be 11, our B can be any number. This is just like a representative. To represent it, that's why we use letter. It can come in any form: 4/5, 3/7. These are, in fact, we can have 7/1. Provided this division is there, this ratio is there, it's called fraction. And there are three types of fraction. The first one, we have proper fraction. The second one, we have improper fraction. And the third one, we have mixed fraction. From number one, the proper fraction. From the word proper, when something is normal, when something is okay, when it's at the right position. So, like in our local class, we do say A is on top of B. So when you have a smaller number up, a bigger number down, then you have a proper number, proper fraction. So when you have 2/3, we say it in our local language, like we said, 3 can carry 2. So that is 2/3. So this is what we call a proper fraction. The small one must be up, the bigger one must be down, or the larger one must be down. So we have 1/3. This is also a type of proper fraction. 7/13. This is a proper fraction. 11/51. This is a proper fraction. Hope that is clear. Proper fraction is when you have a smaller number up and a bigger number down. While for improper fraction is the opposite of proper fraction. When something is improper, when you have the bigger one up and the smaller one down. For example, this 3/2. This is improper fraction. 3/1 is improper fraction also. 13/7 is improper fraction. 51/11 is a proper fraction. 21/4 is improper fraction. So when you have bigger number down, smaller number, bigger number of smaller number down, we have improper fraction. While the last one is derived from improper fraction, we call it mixed fraction. From the word mixed, is we mixed whole number and a fraction, a proper fraction together. For example, when we have 3/2, we say, how many 2 can we see in 3? We have 1, remainder 1, so 1/2. That is, you convert from mixed fraction, from improper fraction to mixed fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. For example, we have 13/7. How many 7 can we see in 13? 1. Then you minus 13 minus 7. That is 6. That is 6/7. This is a mixed fraction now. Again, when you have 51/2, 2 in 5, that is 2. We have 1 again, that is 11 here. 2 in 11, 5, 1/2. So this is mixed fraction. You are mixing whole number and proper fraction together. So here it's better we talked about conversion of fraction. So they ask you to convert 7/3 to mixed fraction. You say, how many 3 can we see in 7? We count 7. How many 3? If we for like our primary school, when you count 3 times 2, we have 6. So that is 2 number. You have 2, remainder 1, 1/3. So this conversion. And also when you have 7/2, how many 2 can we see in 7? 3, remainder 1/2. So when we have question like 7/4 also, how many 4 can we see in 7? 1, remainder what? 3/4. So this is converting from what? This is converting from improper fraction to mixed fraction. While converting from mixed fraction, for example, we have 2 number 1/3. It will be 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7/3. 3 whole number 1/2. If we are to convert 1 whole number 3/4 also, it will be 4 times 1, 4 plus 3, 7. So we have 7/4. This is converting from proper fraction to improper fraction. So, converting from mixed fraction to improper fraction. So hope this is clear. So we talk about addition and subtraction. Maybe we should talk about addition and subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction in our other episode, not to make the video long. Thanks for watching.